Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo 7 two-player offline. First, ensure a second controller is connected to your PlayStation console. From the world map, simply select the 2P split screen option. You and your friend can then choose from over 90 tracks and hundreds of cars. Don't forget to adjust race settings, like the number of laps or the time of day, for a truly personalized experience. It's a straightforward process to get your race started. Once the race begins, the screen will divide vertically, giving each player their own distinct view of the track. You'll each control your chosen vehicle independently, navigating the course and competing for first place. Remember to focus on clean racing, avoiding collisions with your opponent makes for a more enjoyable and fair competition. Keep an eye on the minimap to track your position and the other players' progress throughout the race. Gran Turismo 7 offers extensive customization for your two-player races. You can select from over 400 cars, ensuring a perfect match for any driving style. Experiment with different tracks, from city circuits to rally courses, and even vary the weather conditions for added challenge. Adjusting difficulty settings allows you to tailor the experience to both players' skill levels, making every race competitive and fun for everyone involved. To maximize your enjoyment, try practicing on various tracks to hone your driving skills. Experiment with different car combinations, perhaps a classic versus a modern sports car for an interesting matchup. Open communication with your opponent can also enhance the friendly competition, maybe even leading to some strategic team play. Ultimately, the most important tip is to simply have fun and enjoy the thrill of racing side by side with a friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.